My name is Richard Brazil. My first instrument was the saxophone, but I started learning the flute to play as a doubler instrument in jazz ensembles, and then I just, I really got to enjoy it and appreciate it from then on. So. Your flute comes in 3 parts. The first one is the head joint. This is the one where you'll place your mouth onto, and it's the one that you'll make the sound out of by blowing air through. The next joint is the body. It's going to be the one that connects all of them. It's the middle one. It's where you place all your fingers. And the last one is the foot joint. It's the foot of the instrument. To put it together, you are going to take the head joint and you're going to place it on the body first. This unlacquered part you can put into this area. And you can line up the plate here with the keys, like so. Next, you're going to put the foot joint onto the body. And you're going to line up this right here with the keys. You're gonna place your fingers under that and your pinky under that one. And then you're gonna want to put your fingers like that. And you have a flute that's put together. The cool thing about the flute is that you don't actually need the full instrument to make your first sound. All you need is the head joint. So this can be tricky at first, so don't be disappointed if you can't get a sound right away. But you're going to want to relapse your lips and then form an ooh, as if you're saying boo or flute. And you're gonna want to put the plate just on your bottom lip, and then angle the air so that it's tilted a little bit downwards, almost as if it's going to be hitting the other side of this hole. If you're blowing too much air too fast, you might get. And if you're not blowing enough, you might get. So you have to really figure out the exact angle at which you can create the maximum sound. That's how you make your sound in the flute.